Hello students. In previous lecture, we solved some questions of your book that is given on page number 9. Now today we are going to solve some questions that is given on page number 11. And the topic is the fish market. Means questions based on selling of fishes. Like many boats have brought a good catch. Then fishermen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Like how they are shouting? See. Minnie, come here. Take sardines at rupees 40 a kg. Sardines, it is a type of fish and 1 kg of sardine is rupees 40. Gracie, never so cheap. Get short fish for rupees 60 a kg. It is also a type of fish. Sardine is a small fish and short fish is a large sea fish. Florma sells prawns for rupees 150 a kg. Prawn is also a type of fish and its rate is 150 per kg. Karuna sells a squid for rupees 50 a kg. Squid is also a type of fish and its rate is 50 per kg. Now look, Fazila can hardly carry this big kingfish. This one is big kingfish. She says this fish weight 8 kg. Means this is a kingfish and its weight is 8 kg. I will sell the whole for rupees 1200. Means Fazila says it is a kingfish and its weight is 8 kg and I will sell the whole fish for rupees 1200. Now on the basis of this, some questions given. Let's see the questions. Number 1. At what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? Means question is based on this kingfish. So per kg, here we have to calculate per kg and it's given that 8 kg fish rate is 1200. Okay, so what we will do? Fazila can hardly carry the big kingfish and she says this fish weight 8 kg. Okay, so we have to calculate 1 kg rate. What we will do? We will divide. So she will sell the whole for rupees 1200. 8 kg फिश को वो 1200 रुपीज़ में कंप्लीट करेगी. अगर कोई 1 kg लेता है तो उसका रेट क्या होगा? वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दैट. Then the price of that kingfish for 1 kg, what we will do? We will divide 1200 divided by 8 and it comes rupees 150 per kg. ओके, अगर हमको 1 क्वांटिटी का कोई भी सामान दिया होता है और ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी का कैलकुलेट करना रहता है, देन वी विल डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. और अगर ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी का दिया होता है और कम क्वांटिटी का निकालना रहता है, लाइक 8 kg दिया है एंड 1 या 2 का हमको निकालना होगा, देन वी विल डू डिवाइड. एंड इस मेथड को हम लोग बोलते हैं यूनिटरी मेथड. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. फ्लोरमा हैज़ सोल्ड 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? It's question based on prawns. Here prawns rate is 150 per kg. 1 kg of prawn rupees is 150. So in question ask 10 kg. What we will do? We will multiply. Now see. Florma sells prawns for rupees 150 per kg. It's given Florma has sold 10 kg prawns today. So total amount she gets 150 multiplied by 10. And what she will get? Rupees 1500. Okay. Now third. Gracie sold 6 kg short fish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many kg of sardines did Minnie sells? Again see question. Gracie sold 6 kg short fish. Gracie ने 6 kg short fish को sell किया. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. 6 kg फिश को सेल करके जो पैसे ग्रेसी को मिले उतने ही पैसे मिनी को भी मिले। हाउ मैनी kg ऑफ सार्डिन्स डिड मिनी सेल। अब हमको ये कैलकुलेट करना है कि उसने कितना सार्डिन्स मिनी ने सेल किया। ओके, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, गिवन है ग्रेसी सोल्ड 6 kg सॉल्ट फिश, देन प्राइस ऑफ 1 kg वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट। तो 1 kg fish of salt is 60. Total money earned by Gracie is 6 into 60. So rupees 360. ओके, 360 रुपीज़ किसको मिले, ग्रेसी को भी मिले और किसको मिले, मिनी को भी मिले। बट हमको अब क्या कैलकुलेट करना है यहाँ पे कि सार्डिन्स जो है वो मिनी ने कितना सेल किया। सो मिनी सोल्ड सार्डिन्स एट ₹40 पर केजी। सार्डिन्स का रेट गिवन है 40 पर केजी। Total weight of sardines sold by mini, so 360 rupees divided by 40 means 9 kg. So sardines did mini sale is 9 kg. Now next question. Basir has ₹100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 of prawns. बसीर के पास 100 रुपीज़ है एंड इसमें से जो 100 का 1/4 है ही स्पेंड ऑन स्क्विड एंड 3/4 मीन्स 3/4 ही स्पेंड ऑन प्रॉन्स। नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए पार्ट, हाउ मेनी किलोग्राम्स ऑफ स्क्विड डिड ही बाय। उसको इतने रुपीज़ में कितना स्क्विड मिला। हाउ मेनी किलोग्राम्स ऑफ प्रॉन्स डिड ही बाय एंड प्रॉन्स कितना मिला। ओके, let's see, we will solve question. Given is Basir has ₹100. He spends 1/4 of the money on squid. 100 का 1/4, so 1/4 multiply 100 or 1 it's 25 rupees. Karuna sells squid for ₹50 a kg. Basir brought ₹25 divided by 50 kg means half kg of squid. मीन्स 100 रुपीज़ का 1/4 हमने कैलकुलेट किया, दैट इज़ 25 रुपीज़ एंड 25 रुपीज़ में कितना स्क्विड आएगा, हाफ kg. गॉट इट, क्योंकि 1 kg का स्क्विड कितने का था, 50 kg का, तो 25 में कितना आएगा, हाफ ही आएगा ना. नाउ बी पार्ट गिवन, Basir has 100 rupees. He spends another 3/4 on prawns. So 3/4 is 75 rupees. How? 3/4. Okay, we will get 75. Florma sells prawn for ₹150 per kg. And rate of prawns is, it's given 150 rupees per kg. So Basir brought equals to 75 divided by 150 means half kg prawns. Okay, get it? Thank you.